Born on the racetrack, refined for the road, the beast is back, and it's angrier than ever. This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT-R. A car that doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. Today, we're diving deep into AMG's newest masterpiece, from its jaw-dropping looks to the fire-breathing monster under the hood. Buckle up. This is not your average GT. Let's start with that menacing exterior. The 2026 GT-R has evolved, not just in performance, but in presence. Up front, you'll find the signature Panamericana grille, flanked by laser-cut adaptive LED headlamps and larger air intakes designed to feed that ferocious twin-turbo V8. It sits lower, wider, meaner, thanks to a new carbon fiber aero package that's not just for show. Every vent, scoop, and spoiler is functional. Active aerodynamics work in real time, adjusting to optimize downforce or reduce drag, depending on the speed and driving mode. The rear. A masterclass in aggression. A fixed carbon fiber wing, quad titanium exhausts, and a rear diffuser that looks like it came straight off a GT3 racer. It's not just beautiful, it's ballistic. Step inside and you're immediately reminded, this is no ordinary Mercedes. The 2026 AMG GT-R's interior is a cockpit for warriors. Think fighter jet meets five-star hotel. Carbon fiber trims, micro-suede Alcantara, and leather wrap everything from the dashboard to the deep bolstered bucket seats. A new 12.9-inch floating touchscreen seamlessly integrates with Mercedes' latest MBUX system, while a fully digital instrument cluster puts every shred of performance data right in your line of sight. And the sound? An optional Burmester 3D system, if you ever want to hear anything over the engine, that is. It's focused, minimal, but still luxurious. Every switch, every detail, screams intent. Now for the heart of the beast. Under that sculpted hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but this isn't just any AMG V8. For 2026, it's been dialed up to a monstrous 635 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60. Just 3.1 seconds. Top speed. An eye-watering 205 miles per hour. But it's not just about raw numbers. AMG has reworked the suspension with adaptive dampers, a wider track, and rear-wheel steering. A 9-stage traction control system borrowed from the AMG GT Black Series lets you fine-tune your level of insanity. This car is as comfortable decimating lap records as it is cruising along the coast. It's track-focused, yet road-legal, a balance few can master, but AMG has done it again. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT-R isn't just a car. It's a statement, a declaration of what happens when German precision meets unfiltered power. So, what do you think? Has AMG outdone themselves? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next drive into the future of performance. Until then, keep your wheels spinning, and your engines roaring.